My name is Yasmin Vanida binti Carol Imran, and my student ID is 2023415286.
Hello everyone, my name is Nurdina binti Muhammad Azmi. My student ID is 2023268408.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Alisa and my ID is 2023406544.
And my name is Nurfalsha binti Ismail and my student ID is 2023 444 and 144.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurutayana Adawiyah binti Nur Syafandi and my ID is 20232181.
Hello everyone, imagine this. You're rushing to the airport, juggling your phone, your coffee, and that whatsoever heavy suitcase. Wouldn't it be amazing if your suitcase could just follow you around? Well, now it can. Introducing the Airwheel Smart AI Luggage from WheelYaBiz, the suitcase of the future. This isn't your regular luggage, it's motorized with wheels, meaning it can roll alongside you like a loyal companion, and it's also powered by a rechargeable battery that can even charge your phone while you're on the go. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a suitcase with wheels and batteries, it's also smart. It comes with a remote control so you can steer it with ease, and there's no more dragging it behind you through the crowded airport. Plus, it's packed with AI technology and voice commands. Just imagine telling your suitcase, "Hey, follow me," and it does that, hands-free. How cool is that? And the best part? The design. It is sleek, durable, and practical for business travelers or tech enthusiasts. It's a suitcase that not only holds your clothes, but also gives you a taste of the future of travels. So why do we choose WheelYaBiz for this presentation? Because it's the perfect blend of style, innovation, and smart travel solutions. Whether you're catching a flight for work or just exploring the world, this suitcase is your new travel buddy. It's all about making your journey smoother, easier, and let's face it, way cooler.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I will be presenting 3 key e-commerce marketing strategies for international expansion along with their corresponding analysis using WheelYaBiz as the main reference. To begin with, the first strategy is localized content and website design. In order to connect effectively with customers from different regions, WheelYaBiz adapts its website to meet the cultural preference of each market. These include changes in language, visuals, layout, and even product offerings. In other words, localization goes beyond simple translation. It involves creating a digital experience that feels familiar and relatable to each audience. For instance, the choice of colors or imagery might differ between Western and Asian markets, and the product listings may be adjusted based on local trends or needs. According to Al-Waraki 2024, businesses that tailor their online content can increase conversion rates by up to 30%. This clearly highlights the power of localization in driving sales. Now, moving on to the analysis of this strategy. So, in terms of impact, localized content enhance user engagement, increase satisfaction, and build trust with international customers. One of the main strengths of this strategy is that it shows cultural sensitivity, which helps in building customer loyalty and emotional connection to the brand. However, there are also challenges to consider. Over-localizing may dilute the company's global identity, and maintaining different versions of the website can be time-consuming and costly. To overcome this, WheelYaBiz should adopt a local strategy that is maintaining a consistent global brand while tailoring specific elements to fit local needs. Regular collaboration with regional teams and feedback loops will help ensure accuracy and relevance. Next, let's move on to the second strategy, which is international SEO optimization, search engine optimization. This strategy focuses on increasing online visibility across multiple countries by adjusting the SEO approach to suit each region. WheelYaBiz can do this by using region-specific keywords, optimizing metadata in different languages, and targeting search engines that are most popular in each country. For example, in China, WheelYaBiz would target Baidu instead of Google. In Russia, they had optimized for Yandex. By doing so, the company can attract the right right audience in each market. According to Asoningo 2024, companies that implement international SEO can improve their organic traffic by up to 40%. Now, looking at the analysis, the impact of this strategy is quite significant as it improves the brand's visibility in search results and makes the website more accessible to local users. The strengths include its scalability and cost effectiveness. Unlike paid ads, SEO provides long-term results and builds credibility over time. On the other hand, some challenges include the technical complexity of managing multiple languages and the potential for keyword mismatches or duplicate content. To address this, WheelYaBiz should hire native SEO specialists who understand local language nuances. Additionally, conducting regular audits and using tools like Heartland text and geo-targeting will help maintain strong SEO performance across all regions. Lastly, let's take a look at the third strategy, which is global social media marketing. Social media plays a vital role in establishing a brand's presence internationally. WheelYaBiz can engage with local audience by using the most relevant platforms in each region, such as Instagram and TikTok in the West, Line in Japan, or WeChat in China. Furthermore, collaborating with local influencers allows the brand to appear more authentic and trustworthy in the market. This is supported by data from the Backlinko team 2025, which shows that 5.24 billion people, or 63.9% of the global population, are actively using social media. Clearly, this presents a huge opportunity for international engagement. Now, moving to the analysis, the impact of this strategy is immediate cultural relevance and better community engagement. The strengths include a more personal and humanized brand presence, especially when working with local influencers. It also allows for user-generated content and viral trends, which can further extend the brand's reach. However, challenges exist, such as understanding platform-specific content norms, language differences, and managing time zone across regions. To solve this, WheelYaBiz should delegate content creation to local teams or regional agencies. Additionally, using a global content calendar with room for local adaptation can help keep content aligned while still being relevant to each audience. In conclusion, these three strategies, localized content, international SEO, and social media marketing, are essential for WheelYaBiz to succeed globally. But more importantly, each must be balanced between global consistency and local relevance to build strong and lasting connections in every
So here's the benefit. First, let's talk about customer engagement and conversion rates. When businesses localize their contents, whether it's through language, design, or product offerings, it creates a unique experience that resonates with local customers. This leads to higher engagement as customers feel like the brand truly understands their needs. In fact, according to Alvaraki 2024, companies that localize their content see a 30% boost in conversion rates. It's clear that the more personalized the experience, the higher chance of converting visitors into customers. Second, we have brand recognition and loyalty, which can improve brand recognition and loyalty. Social media marketing plays a massive role here, especially when businesses focus on region-specific platforms. By partnering with local influencers and adapting content to fit regional tasters, companies can build trust and credibility. This personalized approach fosters stronger customer loyalty and recognition. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, WeChat, and Line provide the perfect avenue for businesses to reach their audience where they're already engaged. Third, cost-effective growth through SEO. SEO optimization is another powerful strategy. Instead of spending large amount on paid ads, international SEO helps drive organic traffic by optimizing content for local search engines like Google, Baidu, or Yandex. Tailoring your SEO for each market allows your site to rank higher in local search results, increasing visibility without the ongoing cost of ads. As Anselingo 2024 suggests, businesses that use international SEO strategies can boost organic traffic by 40%, making it a cost-effective long-term growth tactic. Fourth, cultural relevance. Finally, cultural relevance is key. By adapting your content, imagery, and product offerings to reflect local culture, brands connect with audience on a deeper level. When customers feel that a brand aligns with their values, they are more likely to engage. whether it's through celebrating local holidays or using region-specific visuals. Cultural relevance help drive customer satisfaction and trust. Thank you. So here are some challenges, which is first, maintaining global brand identity. Now, let's talk about the challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is maintaining a consistent global brand identity. While it's important to localize content to resonate with different markets, over-localization can confuse customers and dilute the brand message. Striking the right balance between appealing to local preferences while keeping a unified global identity is crucial for a long-term brand recognition and trust. Second, complexity of managing multiple market strategies. Another challenge is the complexity of managing multiple market strategies. Each market requires its own tailored approach, from website design and product offerings to social media campaigns and customer supports. This can be resource heavy, requiring coordination across time zones, language, and cultural preferences. Without a strong strategy, this complexity can lead to inefficiencies and misaligned messaging. Third, SEO localization challenges. Next is the challenges of SEO localization. Optimizing SEO for international markets isn't just about translating keywords. Each region has its own search engine preferences and search behaviors. Additionally, managing technical SEO elements like hair flags, tags, and ensuring that content isn't duplicated across different language versions can be tricky. Without proper localization, your website might not rank well in local search results, limiting its reach. Finally, platform-specific norms and expectations vary by region. Social media platforms have their own algorithm and cultural expectation. What works on Instagram might not work on WeChat or TikTok. Understanding these platform-specific differences and adapting content accordingly is crucial to avoid missteps. Incorrect tone, poor timing, or cultural misunderstandings can harm brand perception. To sum it all up, international e-commerce strategies can drive growth by increasing customer engagement, improving brand loyalty, and offering cost-effective marketing through SEO. However, businesses must be mindful of challenges such as maintaining a global brand identity, managing complex strategies, and also optimizing SEO for different regions. By recognizing both the benefits and challenges, businesses can successfully navigate international expansion and build stronger connection with customers worldwide.
In order to successfully manage the challenges of international expansion, WheelYaBiz will have to apply advanced strategies echoing the balance between international continuity and regional importance. The specific recommendations below are customized to overcome the existing difficulties of ensuring global brand identity, managing the complexities specific to markets, optimization of localization of SEO, platform expectations, and operations. In order to maintain the cohesive global brand image and at the same time prevent over-localization, WheelYaBiz ought to create a global brand playbook, a centralized list of brand rules on tone, messaging, visuals, and values that cannot be localized. The regional teams are then to be given the authority to modify contents in this framework so that they are flexible without the essence being put to waste. Accordingly, brand audits scheduled, feedback loops across teams at HQ, and local units will assist in remaining in line. Such a structured localization model provides that brand perception is coherent without compromising the regional. Secondly, to address the complexity of managing the diverse market strategies, a hub and spoke model of the marketing operation should be implemented within WheelYaBiz. The global team or hub will be established the bigger picture and manage up resources, and local teams, spokes, will adapt their execution to local regional differences. Common digital workspaces like Slack, Asana, Google Workspace may be helpful to facilitate time zone planning. The response time will also be enhanced, and the possibility of miscommunication will be minimized because of the regional project leads or using local agencies in searching. It can also execute a marketing campaign in a more culturally competent manner. When approaching SEO localization, WheelYaBiz will have to go beyond mere translation, as an SEO strategy will need to be market-specific and data-driven. This includes collaborating with local SEO professionals that have knowledge concerning how people search and their favorite search engines, such as Baidu, Yandex, and Naver. Technical SEO is also necessary with correct HRE flank tagging, localized URLs, and regular audits to avoid duplicate content and to maintain crawlability. Hubs such as SEMrush, Screaming Frog, and Market Muse that are not only multilingual and multi-product but can handle some of the currently atomized SEO processes effectively can be investment areas specifically to become automated, and WheelYaBiz is recommended to develop a social media localization metric as a strategy guide to address platform-specific content standards, including the overall tone, formatting, the best time for posting, mode of collaboration with influencer, and cultural considerations. Local content developers must be hired or consulted in the creation of culturally accredited content. Future decision-making can also be based on split testing of content performance on different platforms in each region and making sure that it is coherent with the local expectation and platform. Lastly, in order to manage the cost of operating the content, WheelYaBiz must focus on modular content production and scalable tools. This includes creating templates that may be used again and flexible content blocks that can be localized with minimal or no additional design and code. Localization services can also be automated with the aid of AI-based translation tools, content automation software, and scheduling software. Moreover, WheelYaBiz ought to make performance analysis to find high-impact markets and reallocate resources in proportion to them, targeting high-converting areas and implementing the lightweight localization in lower priorities. On these recommendations, WheelYaBiz can scale globally without losing brand consistency, effectively managing complexity and unnecessary costs of operations of the company, and eventually resulting in a better market entry, sustained growth, and customer confidence transcending national boundaries.
Conclude, WheelYaBiz as a powerful opportunity to transform the travel experience for modern, tech-savvy consumers with our innovative and smart AI knowledge. By integrating advanced features AI motion tracking, energy efficient technology, and a seamless mobile app connection, we are not just selling luggage. We are creating smarter, more convenient way to travel. Combined with our user-friendly, visually appealing website, designed for a global audience, this position WheelYaBiz to stand out in the competitive e-commerce landscape. However, international expansion brings new challenges we must prepare for. First, we need to ensure we maintain a consistent brand image across all markets, even as we adapt our marketing to different cultures. Second, managing SEO regionally is critical so customers in each country can easily find and connect with our brand online. Third, we must tailor our social media and marketing content to align with our local customers, beliefs, and preferences since what resonates in one country might not in another. Lastly, the cost and complexities of continuous localization, including translation, regional compliance, and marketing adjustment can be high, and if ignored, could slow our growth and damage consumer trust. So that's why we recommend applying strategies that are both personalized for local market and cohesive with our global brand. By embracing globalization, we can create campaigns and content that locally relevant yet reinforce our overall brand identity. Through region-specific SEO, we can optimize our visibility in each market and drive organized traffic effectively. Also, by developing culturally relevant content, we can engage customers on deeper level, building authentic connections that go beyond by just selling a product. Together, these strategies will not only solve the operational and marketing challenges we face, but also enhance customer engagement, increase brand recognition, and foster lasting loyalty across the international market. Ultimately, finding the right balance between global consistency and local responsiveness will enable WheelYaBiz to achieve sustainable growth and long-term success in the international digital marketplace. That's all from us. Thank you.